Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate OneDrive Files on Demand for efficient storage. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate OneDrive Files on Demand, begin by ensuring that you have the OneDrive application installed on your device. Open the OneDrive application by locating it in your system tray or start menu. Once opened, sign in with your Microsoft account if prompted. Next, look for the OneDrive icon in the system tray at the bottom right corner of your screen. Right-click on the OneDrive icon to open the context menu. Select the Settings option from the menu. A new window will appear. Click on the Settings tab at the top of this window. In the Settings tab, look for the option labeled Save Space and Download Files as you use them. Check the box next to this option to enable Files on Demand. Click OK or Apply to save your changes. Now close the Settings window. Your OneDrive is now set to use Files on Demand for efficient storage. Files will automatically appear on your device without taking up storage space. To view a file, simply double-click on it and it will download to your device. If you want to free up space, right-click on any downloaded file and select Free Up Space. This will remove the downloaded file while keeping it available in OneDrive. You have successfully activated OneDrive Files on Demand. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.